The OnPlan Workforce Planning app uses your HR system data to forecast headcount and personnel-related expenses, including salary, regional taxes and benefits, departmental level benefits, bonuses, yearly raises, and more. It can help you understand the impacts of key questions like changing from in-person to remote, opening an office in a new state or province with different taxes, changing the pace of hiring, or options for cost reductions in tough times. Here we have our employee-by-employee breakdown, including names, IDs, locations, and so on. OnPlan integrates with your HR system, so this data is always up to date. If you do headcount planning in Excel today, you know the hassle of manually copy-pasting this information and manually adding future changes you're planning for, like new hires or salary changes. With the OnPlan Workforce Planning app, any changes in your HR system like new hires, promotions, and terminations are automatically reflected in your forecast model. In OnPlan, all of this information is coming directly from your HR system that we would connect to. What that means is every time a new employee joins the company, a new line item will be added with their corresponding information. Likewise, if someone is terminated or receives a promotion, all these existing columns will update automatically as well. So there's no longer any manual upkeep of the data for you and your team, while your forecasts and future data will be stored in OnPlan and referenceable for any variance analysis. So OnPlan will become the single source of truth for all your company data, historical, forecast, as well as any metrics and KPIs. HR data is especially sensitive, and finance folks regularly create many copies to share departmental level budgets and employee counts with each manager. Keeping those all up to date is a pain. The OnPlan Workforce Planning app lets you create specific views and input sheets of the data, so everyone can see and update what they need to without you having to do any extra work. Here, we've isolated the management team and can see all existing and future sales and marketing hires. Individual department heads can fill out their respective budgets while the finance team sees the updated consolidated results. To properly plan for future headcount costs, you need to layer driver-based forecasts and add allocation assumptions to the HR data. OnPlan's Workforce Planning app offers an unlimited number and type of drivers and lets you stop worrying about broken links. Here we can allocate each employee's expense to COGS, OPEX, or even capitalize it. You can continue to have as many different drivers as you want, such as utilization rates, departmental allocations, bonus structure, and more. Another important element in workforce planning is accounting for taxes and benefits. The app helps you incorporate the logic of Social Security, Medicare, federal and state unemployment taxes with the right percentages and salary thresholds. You can incorporate any country, company, or department-specific taxes and benefits as well. The OnPlan Workforce Planning app provides standard output templates to calculate common industry metrics and your company's specific metrics as well. Here we see total payroll cost, bonus, FICA, FUTA, different benefits, and more, calculated on a monthly basis, as well as on an employee-by-employee basis for more granular detail. This report summarizes headcount by department, FTE, payroll, and other costs. These are just a few of the reports available. With each report in OnPlan, you can view the data on a monthly basis, but also easily toggle to quarterly, annual, or period-to-date views. You can view actuals side by side with your forecast, or compare different forecasts to each other. In addition, you can create department and employee-specific views for security and reporting purposes. OnPlan's Workforce Planning app allows you to create scenario comparisons on the fly in order to better compare different assumptions. Here we can see the effects of a less aggressive forecast and the effects it has on your payroll by the department. We can also see the tax savings. If you need help with workforce planning, book a demo and we'd be happy to show you how the OnPlan Workforce Planning app and our other apps can help.